Okay guys, this is it. This is the Backhoe. Getting ready to take it for its first drive in 10 years. He's just been sitting forever. It's been a weekend project for like a long time. Okay, so this is it. Paint's brand new. I did it while I had the motor out and everything stripped down. So there's little spots like here, right here, where you can see where it was covered up a little bit. Didn't get it back there with the paint gun. Grease points are pretty good. I think there's only like a couple places where it might need an easy out. You can see this grease point right here. It needs to get an easy out. And then get a grease point and then just screw it back in. That should be good. But I think that's the only one of those. Hydraulic hoses are all brand new. They're real nice. Thanks to Ken. There's the hydraulic pump. That's good. Radiator's new. Muffler's new. Paint's new. Hoses are new. Exhaust manifold is new. Carburetor got rebuilt. The guy did it wrong, but it's rebuilt. It's fresh. It's clean. New clutch. New motor. New battery, new seat, new steering wheel. The instrument panel needs a little bit of work. We'll get back to that though. Oh, sorry, I'm a bad cameraman. New seat up there. All the hydraulics are good and working. There's no leaks anywhere. I'll show it to you in a second. And then everything's strapped down the way it should be. I'm going to clean off that overspray on the bucket because I think it looks like shit. You can see everything's pretty good and greased up. Let's see. Oh, okay, so here's another thing. When the stabilizer, when I was putting everything back together, the stabilizer was down and I couldn't really get under. It was in the dirt, so I didn't really get under here. But I mean, that's a pretty quick fix. The paint isn't anything fancy. It's just Rust-Oleum John Deere. The yellow is John Deere yellow, and the red, I'm not sure which one the red is. I'll have to check on that. But either way, it's cheap. You can get it pretty easily. You can get it at any tractor supply store. All you gotta do is sand it down and repaint it. The new gas cap, new filter gauge, new filters. Let's see. Down there, that's just a little spot from where the rust was coming off when I greased all the controls. Okay, so new fuel strainer. It's also got an inline filter behind it. You can see right there. Keeps everything flowing pretty good. It doesn't hold back anything. Here's all the wiring. That looks like crap. The generator, I didn't do anything with it because I didn't want to get it wet, so I didn't want to mess with it. The power steering pump works fine. New hose, new headlights. The wheels aren't perfect. They're not anything to write home about. This one's kind of old, I think. Yeah, this is the old one. But they'll just be fine. That one's pretty new. That one got replaced. Still got a little bit of tread on them, on the front anyway. You can see a little spot like right there where it's not painted as much as it should be. Again, everything's pretty greased up. New hoses, no leaks. I'm getting ready to put the grill back on it and the covers and everything. I just got to do a little bit, finish wiring. The bucket is it's in all right condition. It's not perfect, but down here it has a little chunk missing out of it. If you want to fix that, you can. All in all, it's not perfect, but it's pretty damn close. The only major thing that needs to be done is the carburetor. Here we go here. Now it's supposed to throttle. Still kind of hot. Let's see. Pull it back. If you pull the handlebar down, up here, if you pull this down, it should actuate this the opposite way. So this, the throttle linkage should be pushing away, and instead it's pulling. Now that's because the guy installed this rod on the wrong side when he rebuilt it. I took it back and told him, and they were trying to give me trouble about it. But I know, I operated this thing for years, and the throttle's on backwards. Now, that's messing with the governor, but I'm pretty sure as soon as you turn that thing around, put the throttle on the, going the reverse way, it'll be just fine, and it won't mess with it anymore. That's pretty much it. Thanks for watching.